Experts have said that the UK is set to face the worst snowstorm in more than a decade next week. We have seen chaotic weather in most parts of the UK in the past week alone, with high-paced winds and torrential rain that has caused some serious flooding in certain areas. And things are looking like they're going to get even worse, as experts predict the temperature will drop as low as -12 in some parts of the UK, and that the snowfall we will experience will rival the Great Freeze of 2009. When pretty much most of the UK was hit by a huge blanket of snow. Per usual, this extreme weather will most likely lead to travel disruption, including trains being cancelled and roads being undrivable. But the good news is that the snowstorm isn't expected to last very long, and things should start to clear up towards the end of next week.